Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Barbecue bacon Gouda Cheeseburger. Let's get to the ingredients. Black pepper, salt, Worcestershire sauce, Gouda cheese, bacon, sweet sliced onions, hot sauce, beef broth, and the ground beef. I have it in the refrigerator. I'm going to take it out now. This is the ground beef that we will be using. Let's move on to the first step of making the burger. I'm going to fry the bacon on top of the stove. I have my grill here. I'm letting it heat up before we move on to the next step of making the burgers. Well, I think it's time to flip the bacon on the other side now. Okay, we'll let them cook on this side now. I have a skillet here. I'm going to use this to saute my onions in. Gonna add a little bit of oil to the pan. And we're going to add the onions in. And by the way, I'm using brioche buns for my burger. You can use any buns you like. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Well, I just checked and I see the grill is ready. Now let's make the burgers. See the ground beef? We're going to add some black pepper. A little salt. and some Worcestershire sauce. We're going to mix the burger and form the patties. Don't want to overmix it. See? It makes about 4 patties. So we are sauteing the onions now. We let this here saute up for about 5 minutes or till it forms a caramelization. I think the onions are sauteed enough to add the rest of the ingredients. The beef broth, the hot sauce, now we're going to let this saute up for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to turn it off and cover it up and then move on to making the burgers. It's time to add the burger to the grill. We'll let it cook on that side for 2 minutes, then we'll flip it and cook it on the other side for another 2 minutes. Let's check and see if it's ready to flip to the next side. Now this is the next step. Now I'm brushing on the sweet barbecue sauce that I made the other day for the ribs. We're going to flip the burgers over to the next side and brush the sauce on that side. Now it's time to add the Gouda cheese. We're going to let the cheese melt on top of the burger. And then we're going to take them off the grill. And then we're going to move to the next step, toasting the brioche bun. I've taken the burger off. Now I'm going to toast the brioche bun. I have some butter here, and I'm going to spread it on the bun. And after it toasts, we're going to move on to the next step of plating it up. Here you have it. Barbecue bacon Gouda cheeseburger. Now you can add lettuce, tomatoes to this, whatever condiment you like. Mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, whatever you choose, you can do it. But I just did the original recipe. See again? Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.